Have you ever been in the middle of an important task, only to have your processes abruptly halted? It can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you need to gracefully shut down your applications. If this sounds familiar, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to gracefully kill a Hadoop job and intercept those pesky kill signals. I completely understand your concern. It's annoying when commands like Hadoop Job kill or Yarn application kill terminate your jobs without giving you a chance to clean up. You're definitely not alone in facing this issue, and it's a common challenge for many developers. Let's take a closer look at the specific situation. One user recently asked how to intercept the kill signal for their Java application running on a mapper. They mentioned that their application successfully uses a shutdown hook locally, but struggles when running in a mapper container. Sound familiar? If so, let's explore some solutions together. So what's happening here? When you issue a kill command, it typically sends a sigkill signal, which doesn't allow your application to perform any cleanup. This can lead to orphaned processes and other issues. Understanding this is crucial for finding a workaround. And stick around. I have a valuable tip at the end that could help you manage your Hadoop jobs more effectively and avoid these abrupt terminations. To begin addressing the user's issue, we need to implement a shutdown hook in the Hadoop mapper. This will allow the application to intercept the kill signal and perform cleanup tasks before exiting. Next, the user should ensure that the shutdown hook is properly configured to terminate any child processes created by the application. This is crucial for graceful shutdown. Now, the user needs to test the implementation to confirm that the shutdown hook is triggered when the job is killed. This can be done by running a sample job and issuing a kill command. If the shutdown hook does not trigger as expected, the user may need to check the Hadoop configuration settings. Specifically, they should look into the Yarn Resource Manager settings. Finally, if the user continues to experience issues, they might consider reaching out to the Hadoop community or reviewing the documentation for additional insights on graceful shutdowns. Fun fact: did you know that the term graceful shutdown comes from the idea of allowing a process to finish its current tasks before exiting? It's like saying goodbye properly instead of just disappearing. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user explains that the sigkill signal is unstoppable and cannot be intercepted by any process, including your Java application. It's a direct command to the kernel to terminate processes immediately without allowing for cleanup. They also mention that the commands Hadoop Job -kill and Hadoop Job -list are deprecated. Instead, you should use mapred job kill and mapred job list. However, you still cannot control the type of signal sent to terminate a job. Here's the tip I promised. Always test your signal handling in a controlled environment before deploying to production. This way, you can ensure that your cleanup processes work as expected without any surprises. And there you have it. With these strategies, you should be able to gracefully handle job terminations in Hadoop. Remember, proper signal handling can save you from a lot of headaches down the line. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and don't forget to check out our next video for more insights.